Hello guys, what is going on? I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I'm 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 not actually. Well, I still am, but today I wanted to make a really quick short video telling you how I messed up, and I messed up very badly. So I'll show you a trade which I completely screwed over. The reason why I'm showing you this is, well, it should be useful to you as well.
Okay.
And I just want to document this very bad trade. Let's just say that. I don't want to curse, and I don't want to make the same mistake again. Okay, so I hope you guys will enjoy it, and let's go. For our time frame, right, this is the range we're currently at. Okay, so let's just draw a fixed channel, and there we go. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the value area high of the range, the value area low of the range, and the point of control of the range. Okay, so first of all, I'll just explain really quickly the theory behind this. Okay, so first of all, this is a range, right? This is the volume levels of the range. If let's remember, actually I won't, actually it is pretty okay, right here. So we have a daily level right here. Okay, I'll mark it just right now. Didn't mark it correctly because it's the 4-hour level, but just keep in mind the daily was there. Okay, so what did we do? We broke out of the range for a bit. We tapped the daily, we moved back down, entered the range again, right, and consolidated here for a bit, and we got acceptance into the range defined by this price action, right, because we are trying to get out of the range, right, like boom boom, we're trying to get out but we can't. So we're basically accepted into the range. And well, what happens when you get accepted into the range? I'm sorry for this. Well, what happens? Well, you usually look to trade the range back down at least to the point of control, or for a rotation down to the bottom of the range. And since we're trading volume levels to the value area low of the range. Okay, so right here. So what did we expect? We expect something like this and a bounce, or this and a bounce. Okay, now, so I just give you guys a bit some context for the trade, and now I'll get into a smaller time frame, and I'll show you where I completely fucked up. Alright guys, so we're in the smaller time frame right now, so let's just see what happened. Okay, so first of all, like, this is what I was talking about, right? We're trying to break out of this channel, right? The top of the channel, we can't. So we got acceptance, right? So here we go. This is, I would consider that this acceptance. And now, so as I said, you look to trade this to the value area, to the point of control, this white level, or to the value area low, this another blue level, right? So let's just see what happened. Okay, so we made our way down. We made our way down to the point of control. Okay, so what happened here? We don't get much support. Instead, we actually lose the level, right? I'll just show you. So we lose the level, right? And now the level is pretty much acting as a resistance, right? We're trying to hit it, we swing through it, but we don't close any substantial higher time frame candles, right? And we just keep going down. Okay, I'm showing a bit of a pass, but the trade happened right here, so it still counts, right? So we're trying to hit the level, and it just this doesn't work. We keep rejecting. Okay, so now what was the trade? Basically, here we have a key level. Okay, so keep in mind all the price action we're seeing is to like pretty much this point right here. Okay, this point. So I'll actually just move myself right there. Okay, so we don't care about that price action. So what happens now? Okay, so as we can see, there's just like a small range. Okay, so I can just actually draw the range, a small range, like nothing special. Okay, right here. And so okay, so what happens next? 9 o'clock for me, 7 a.m. for most of you guys, it's London Open. So what happens on London Open is basically the stock market opens, and what happens is that usually a high tick of volume comes into the market, and so we can expect a larger move around that time. Okay, and usually that sets a trend for the rest of the trading session. Either way, So this happened exactly pretty much at almost at 9 a.m. for me, right? Pretty much, yeah, actually at 9 a.m. for me. So what happened? Okay, we have the bottom of the range, right? Key level, we have the bottom of the range. My idea was this. Okay, the session opens, I see a large amount of volume coming in, bearish volume, right? And what I do, I will short the bottom of the channel. So basically a breakout trade.
Oh my god!
And that pretty much did happen, okay? So we open the session, we go below, and I'm like, there we go, that's my entry. And I entered the trade, and I regret it like around 30 minutes after that, okay? I huge regrets. Why did I enter? I'll show you quickly the volume, okay? So here we have the same line. It's not drawn straight, I know, guys, but it just happened, okay? So we have this line. Now, what happened? What did I start to open the trade? I'll show you. Yeah, so there we go. Basically, this is the zoomed in view of the chart. Okay, so what had happened? Okay, so 9 a.m. So right about here. Okay, 9 a.m. What I see? Okay, nothing. Boom, and I saw this candle. 1.1 million volume, seemingly 90% delta, 985k negative delta. Right? That seems pretty bearish, right? I'm on the 1 minute chart, so that's actually pretty good volume for the 1 minute chart, okay? But, and so I entered the trade upon this signal, right? We swing through this low, and I'm like, okay, I'm in the trade. So I entered the trade. It did go a bit more lower, right? It did do that, but one huge thing I missed was this. Look at the open interest, right? This huge, pretty much decreasing open interest. Now, if I open net shorts and net longs, all I see, pretty much everything is closing, right? But mostly the shorts are actually covering their closing, right? For some reason, they're closing, and I missed this huge fact. So basically, all of this negative delta is pretty much not new trades entering the market, right? Not new shorts. It's just it's nothing really. So some longs are closing probably, right, and stuff like that. And I'm just sitting there, and I thought that this was like new shorts. So I thought this was a strong move. It actually wasn't, right? It was a very bad move on my part. So this is just a very bad trade in my opinion, guys. You don't want to see this. You don't want to see. Well, you don't want to breakout trade actually at all, even, right? But if you do breakout trade, you don't want to see open interest decreasing most of the time, okay? You might want to see open interest decreasing, but only if you're in a short. You want to see longs closing their positions, getting liquidated, not the other way around. I'm quite embarrassed about the trade. I lost some money on it, and I hope you guys will make the same one. And I'll end with a quote from Marcus Aurelius. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. So our emotions are dangerous, guys. Let's keep them in check, especially when trading. And yeah, so that's it for me. I hope you'll have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.